So we're testing our mics, and we're beginning with just the P3 P3i, I believe. It's just a uh, regular noise canceling uh, earbuds. So just one earbud in. So that's the right earbud. That's the left earbud. Testing 1, 2, 3. Now we're testing the Boya noise cancelling wireless mic. So testing the Boya 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So now the new Holyland microphone, So now finally the DJI -6 is the setting on the reduction. There's always something with it. It's even difficult to turn it on and connect. So it confuses devices. It confuses the mic with the whatchamacallit, the DJI thing, smart stick. So we're gonna see the quality of the recording now. So good luck, DJI.